Miso pen kachipajok je phan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen District Administration ang bong kachingwai. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Chairman Rite Singh hi kabor ipen ajok miso longjon arat towar ki ik chileng longpo. Khat-khati along Arunachal ahor kinepdon. Kardom pini Adap Abirta long penili sami jilihan sepi non bertang ton pen arjek tha. Karbi Anglong along kido a constituency tin along ta quarantine center bipon popusi kachingba along CM tuliram ranghang pangdakbon. Kaphere me corona war Assam along rialong ta angtan pen kebang atum kebang bomajok kisoki un e phai bathu bomsi sarkar ahin penta kacheri megje phan arsikasai dengponang koklong. Sarkar hukumateng pini Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council asai hem conference hall along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM tuliram ranghang Maichari Ponsi Karbi Anglong lapen West Karbi Anglong District of Harman District Administration lapen Law and Order ratumpen corona war kapang dangde de jephan arsikjit kachingwai amai padopon. Bangso Mayalong Assam HAD Minister Sumronghang MP Horan Singh Be Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Medical EM Khonsing Rongpi Karbi Anglong DC Mukul Kumar Saikia SP Dibojit Diori lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM MSC Anparta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council asai khi atum pendanglok Pregjam Department asai khi lapen doctors nurse atumta chitongdon. Pinangan apor and pen kaching maching sai pado erapi mai along a constituency tin along ta village level home quarantine committee seng ponangpo lapen bangso committee along local MEC phansi chairman arpu pekponmo la songbong VDC chairman BDO SGB Anganwadi worker ANM lapen MPW lapen Asha tuman ke klembang arpusi pekponlo pusi cheparai pon. Quarantine center along tin ke chokijon lapen kido ke thak laki district administration atumsi langponang poputa cheparai pon. News text report Karbi Anglong live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council arta ningkan thokebra serkep nang pleng edapi Deputy Chairman Rite Singh hi lamcha kachipia tengpen kabor iajok misolongjon arat towar ki ikacheleng avarsai kilong. Kedamtang ningkan suri kreser kebra phokebra hini aningkan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council amhang patheglo pupen pining ningkan suri hini ra ingkoyan ke arta thokebra serkep nang plengtanglo. Lasong bong Congress ASDC lapen non kedobom laki BJP atumsi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along Sarkar charipon bomlo. Pregjama party Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kacharipon ahon bang ingkoy ratrok abang puatum ke CM arpu nang mantanglo. Lapen non kedobom Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM tuliram ronghang pen pangrumpet pulote bang ingkoy ratrok atum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM anghoy ingnitanglo. Lasong bong pen komat abang pusi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM anghoy kang niahut kiklem kedam kiminay loni laki Karbi Anglong arat atumsi klardak pen chini rentilo. Chithan pon me misolong jonason thak thak kapap hidon hob ahabar dopeklang. Bonta kopai ke me kedam tang MSC election ahot nomati constituency along BJP pen karjabdun Rite Singh hi along vote ke rekdam ahot lamcha kachipia tengsi dong hap lapen misolong jonanathu tobar ke ikaselam japan pangcheng pon bomlo. Jongpon me nomati constituency along penta penangan abang phuatum MSC ke mandon tang dolo. Lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along CM ang hoykang ni atumta dolo. Bonta kapap hidon hop misolong jona hawar ason son kapaching thurpon nang jipu kamatha abang pukabe darajok. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council arta ningkan thokebra serkep nang pleng erapi lapen Rite Singh hi nomati constituency local MSC Anparta. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Chairman nang mandon derapisi misolongjon arat atumta kemisen towarki kacheleng avarsai longdon pinlo. Dena rongpen Bikram Teron Karbi Anglong live. Langtok thepi asantara long rihing ami lo lepin pen achiklo mi rihing amidu APDCL pen kapale puthak rat ning duk chepaklang. Central Government and Kapanongpon Din Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana mate DDU GKY labangso hokpet kapathik kupi scheme lo. Bonta Din Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana labangso scheme laki rong rup atokanu ahavar rihingame kapachitang pen kapathe atur kivanjia phan. Bonta NDA sarkar pen labangso scheme kedeng pen rong rup arlo alelong loma. Labangso scheme alam pen jongsi jithandam lipute Karbi asar dam thealong pensi kachiton pondo. tangte labang sosar lam the kopilo nang lipu ikha ar momi rak bo picho thadrap ki puasar lam the sonsi malam sopor ari hingkram pen ing samri ame rada tumche thorlong ne long le ne abangke APDCL atum penta rong rop arlo kang ting sering pen ajo arni kapan thang along kachiberta bangke abe jongsi langdamlo pulote damtang congress mate UPA sarkar kachari pon arni akangting pon kosonma lasoteng si west karbiang longar loke ongdung havar alongke nonputa dolang labangso ke thek damlong ateng pen rong rop aberta hokpet karbiang long life kapachitak pon lake ahokpet alam ki ongdung west karbiang long ahavar along me rihing ari dosita ami abangke aningkan che thordonong le bonta berta ke long pona tengke APDCL atum pen me rihing ami du abangke achiklo jonwangta rong rop arlo along kapale pon boma berta long pon Lasonsi amreng MEC constituency arlo langtuk thepi arong asorpen nang pachini dono lapuson meche thorlong lepin pen rong rop araraphan me rihing amidu lapuson kapatu nang laki ilitum chijinso nang nema bonta ning dukalam ningkan ko anlo ni aove kangting sering pen kedonang rong rop ahawararat me rihing che thordon long popura ningkarong kache hokdon pen edon inut jokeroy ariki hingdona sai pen chenglok ki ongdong apor rong asor chipi dono Sita pini arni koson lo kangting sering pen kedotunang. News report Rongbong Terang, Karbiang Long Life, Hamret. Non malom so dihin na mopan bertang ton poneksina.
MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manjar Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong. Where you'll get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items. Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Dipu at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658.
Dihina mopi puthot berta arjupan thuik lonang. Silonijan ahawar puroni borpathar along trakapatong ajok bike bag bang apran kedam. Borpathar police station angkang puroni borpathar along kedamtang aruni phai ingkor rahini arni kang sampor phai hini apor malom ihoma bike aphan trakapatong ajok adimalong amat sonjit ronghangpu arta ningkan thongkep abangpu aprandam jilo. Lapen ari sangho potur saharia po abangke ahir ingtarak pen areng sonanglo. Ke patong te kangwek AS24C 2691 atrak aphan arnisi aphi mate aru niphai inkor rakithom arnisi borpathar police atum neplongno apran kidam jui sonjit ronghang ahemki silonijan mojeda ronghang arong amekar mohan ronghang asopo pusi pangthek bokajan penananterang karbyang nong lai Khatkhati police atum kakorok do nahot ihu matra kalong pen cartoon pharo hini ra ingkoi Arunachal ahor kenep dunong Kedamtang aruni phai ingkoi ra hini arni kang samapor malam Khatkhati police atum joy pen berta kelong megajok keton kelang asai kapang ching do nahot ihum AS17G 1097 container truck arlopen cartoon pharo hini ra ingkoi aronri Arunachal ahor nep dunong Truck kate warabang phophan karju patar tokahot kachithana tengke Arunachal Pradesh pensi bang sohor ke wan pusi chithan Aphitu container truck and ahor anta Khatkhati police atum arona teng pen chepare deng ponlo Bokajan penananterang karbyang long lai Hamren arong sopi angkang rong narke barat tumaphan Karbyang Long Autonomous Council EM Mangal Singh Timung asopo Dr. Umtang Timung Hamren arodaphan sangkeron Corona vor penajok purun pi det pi kangke resek kiduk kilak parpek aradatum ane om penajok kisung phopede nangji puma thasi Hamren constituency local MAC Karbyang Long Autonomous Council EM Mangal Singh Timung asopo Dr. Umtang Timung pater piponsi Kedamtang aru niphai ingkoi rake thamarni Hamren arong supipen tebok terai jasemet linchika somupong nokterang rong karbi rong perbi amselam rong chingdon lapen porbot nokrong pangrompet don suri hini sose kiduk kelak parpek arada tumaphat sang lapen dalikeron padodam Sangkeron asai kedeng ahot Hamren constituency VDC chairman Sarsing Timung Hamren municipality board chairman Biren Tiso Hamren Lems chairman Joy Ingti ward number IC commissioner Basa Teron atum pendanglok penang an ke kedeng arada tumta chitongdon Hamren pen Danieling hi Karbyang Long live Pinia Adap Abirta ke lapon sekang tonik lo do me thak me korwang thu